Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create and share QR code for contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen. And in here, tap on contacts. In contacts, you want to go down and select a contact that you would like to create a QR code. So let's say I want to open up this incoming code contact and then tap on the more button. Next, tap on QR code. And that's it. So you can see here is a QR code. And once you have the QR code, you can tap on the share button at the bottom. And in here, you can select who you want to share it to. You can share it to WhatsApp, Facebook messages, text messages, quick share, nearby share. You can share it to an email or a text message or any of the apps available on your device. And that's how you can easily create a QR code for your contacts and how you can share it. So let's say I want to share it to a let's say I want to share it to a WhatsApp contact. I can just simply tap on the share button, and from there I can share it to the other contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.